Hey lovelies, it's Cindy from MyStyleSpot. In the era of COVID, I know for me anyway, I'm doing a lot more standing around. Going out to restaurants to eat, they can't seat as many. I find the wait times are longer. I'm standing longer. My boyfriend loves to shop, and we've been doing some thrift store shopping lately, and he can shop for hours on end. And I just find that my back is just aching. I'm constantly standing and it hurts, and it is not fun. But I have found the greatest solution to healing my back pain and then helping with standing and being on your feet all day. For those of you that work in jobs where you're on your feet all day, I can only imagine. I couldn't do it, but I did find a great solution that I'm happy to share with you. And it is the Comfort Full Length Insoles by FitMyFoot. And you can get custom made insoles perfect for your feet. They use like a 3D kind of foot measuring system, so they get an accurate read on your feet, and you get the perfect absolute custom fit to help you feel more supported when you're standing. And I've been using this the last few weeks, and the cool thing is you can put these like in about any kind of shoe. I even put them around in my house slippers when I'm walking around the house all day, and it's helped tremendously with back pain. I have experienced like no back pain. My knees are even feeling better. I just feel all around better by having this extra support, especially when I'm out and about. They are super comfortable. I love the extra support I get in the heel and the arch. I notice right away. That's really helping me. So really awesome. Again, FitMyFoot, you guys should check them out. 80% of users noticed less heel pain while using it. 78% had less foot cramping, and I tend to have foot cramping all the time. And since I've been wearing them, I haven't experienced a foot cramp yet. So very excited about that. 70% of users experienced less arch pain, and 75% experienced less leg soreness altogether. So pretty amazing. Like, it's obviously doing some good, and I'm really excited about it just from what I've noticed. I chose the wool insoles, which I really love. They're very comfortable. But I even wear them barefoot, like I said, with my slippers, very comfortable. 99% of users agreed that it did improve foot comfort. So pretty amazing. I noticed as well that it's improved stability for me, even just standing and walking around. And I'm not alone in that. 72% of users reported increased stability as well. They also help you stay more energized, which is awesome. I feel like I have more energy to keep up with the boyfriend shopping, walking around. I can be on my feet all day now, and it's not bothering me like it used to. I'm not feeling as fatigued. And again, I'm not alone in that either. 82% of users using FitMyFoot insoles also noticed less fatigue. So pretty amazing. As you can see, it's backed by research. Customers are loving it. I've loved it. It's really helping me. I just feel a lot better. My feet feel more comfortable. They don't ache at the end of the day, and I haven't had any back pain, which is amazing because back pain is awful. I don't have to tell you guys.
FitMyFoot insoles were designed to combat shin splints, knee, hip, and back pain, as well as plantar fasciitis. They are really simple to use and work with a variety of different shoes. Here I'm using them in kind of my little runners that I run around in daily. They fit right in perfectly, and it's easy to take them in and out as well. Here I'm using them in my cute little house slippers I like to wear around the house to keep my feet warm. They're really easy to just slide right into the slipper. And then it gives me that extra support that, my slipper doesn't give me. So here I can walk around the house all day with that extra support and feel much more comfortable and stable as well. So I really love this feature.
So be sure to check them out. You can find them at FitMyFoot.com. I'll leave the link below. Also join their Footprint newsletter. You can get awesome exclusive deals, exciting news, health and wellness tips from the FitMyFoot experts. So really amazing. I love the weekly articles. I love catching up on that and just reading through them as well. Comment below if you experience any kind of back pain or foot pain. Let me know if you've tried insoles. I would love to hear your experience. If you've tried the FitMyFoot, I would definitely love to hear that. Let me know in the comments. And be sure to check them out at FitMyFoot.com. I will have the link below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share. I would really appreciate it. And subscribe for free weekly awesome content. Thanks so much for watching, you guys.